What's up everyone, this is DS184. Now today we're going to take a look at 5 most dangerous apps in the Play Store you should not install on your Android phone. Now in this list I have 5 apps ranging from low to high risk. Now I will tell what it is and why it's bad and what's its alternative. Now by this let's start. Now the fifth app we have in our list is almost every antivirus app. Now there are loads to choose from. Most of the well-known desktop antiviruses now have a smartphone offering. Now there are lots of antiviruses ranging from Kaspersky to even Quick Heal, but actually these antiviruses do not actually harm your smartphone, but actually they are totally unnecessary. Now there are a loads to choose from, as I already said. So why it's bad? They actually aren't bad, but they are really unnecessary. Now there are a couple of caveats. If you install software from third-party sources, or if you have a rooted phone, then Google cannot do anything, and these apps may install malware in your phone and you would be helpless. Now what's its alternative? There's no alternative. As I already said, you should not install any kind of antiviruses in your Android smartphone. Now number 4 list stands the app Clean Master. Now Clean Master is insanely popular app on Play Store, which advertises itself as speed booster, battery saver and phone optimizer. It has over 600 million users and 26 million 5-star reviews. Now why it's bad? Firstly, it's made by Cheetah Mobile. Cheetah Mobile are renowned for packing ads, bloatware and lag screens into their apps. Secondly, you do not need any cleaning apps in your phone. They are really unnecessary these days. Cleaning the cache of apps or cleaning the cache of phones will only make it even more slow. Now most of the cleaning apps like this Clean Master clean to take out free RAM from the existing ones. Now this should not be done in any smartphone, because most of the cleaning apps just kill the task and easily free the RAM. Now this isn't very beneficial for the apps, as they may start malfunctioning. Now what's its alternative? I already said that you do not need any cleaning app in your phone. You can just use the storage option in the Android settings, or just delete something in your file explorer. No cleaning app can expand space from your phone's storage. Now the app we have in our number 3 list is the DU battery saver and fast charge. Now this is another battery saving app out of hundreds available in Play Store, but this one is having insane number of downloads. It has 7.6 million 5-star reviews. Now why it's bad? Actually really no freaking app can control how fast you can charge your phone. All fast charging capability depends on the hardware. For example, if we take the example of Snapdragon 636, it supports Snapdragon Quick Charge 3.0 as seen in Nokia 6.1 Plus, but no app can control how fast this charges. Even if some app, even if some phone does not support fast charge, DU or some other battery saver cannot control how fast a phone charges. Now what you should use instead? If you are generally interested in your phone's battery stats, you should just use the battery option in the settings. Seriously, it's the best battery stat monitor. I personally use it generally. Now the number 2 app we have in our list is the ES File Explorer, probably the most popular file browser app out there. That's because it used to be really good, but 5 years ago. Why it's bad? Afterwards, the free version has been pumped full of bloatware and adware. Now you need to download additional apps while non-disableable notifications bar pop-ups. Now what you should use instead. Now there are alternatives for file browser and understand your meaning to use them, but lot of them to choose from. And the file browser I personally use is FX file browser and sometimes also Cyanogen mode file browser because I use the Resurrection Remix 6 ROM. Now both of these file browsers are really good and do not have any adware or spyware, so you can safely use them without worrying about your phone. Now the number one app I have in my list is UC browser. Now what it is, it's probably the most popular Android browser in China and India especially. So it claims to have a fast mode that will save you MBs of data users thanks to compression. Now why it's bad? Tracking users data, search queries sent without encryption to Yahoo India and Google. Now also sending adwares, bloatwares, and also it's a spyware, so yeah, you pretty much know the reason why not to install it. And also a user's IMSI number, IMEI number, Android ID and Wi-Fi MAC addresses are sent without encryption to Umeng, which is an Alibaba analytic tool, and users geolocation data is transmitted without encryption to AMAP and Alibaba mapping tool. Now what you should instead, the UC browser. Now there are several choices, but I recommend Chrome, Firefox, or maybe via browser, and also maybe the Lightning browser. These four browsers I have personally used, and they are free of any spyware or any kind of adware. And from all of these, I love the Via browser because it is the lightest of all, or in around 795 KB. It's a really good browser and which is really fast. Now that's it for this list. So be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel and also share this video to other sources.